This is a 3D CAD SketchUp model I did of my EK hatch. This one's a wide body Pandem, wide body version. The main purpose of this video is to just show you a design I did on some rear window louvers for an EK hatch. And so there they are there. They do need some touch up in the final model, but I just wanted to get them on there and see if the design would actually work. And I tried it with the different spoilers, including the factory one all the way up to this Rocket Bunny style spoiler. And so this is what I do in my spare time. I made the roll cage and added the wink mirror and made the splitter and diffuser kit. Made the quarter windows pop out just like the old school cars. The rest of the model was pretty much already made. I did the wheel lugs there, and the wheels somebody else made. Threw the window net in there. I made the window net. Made the rear wing for it. But mainly this is to just showcase a design idea for rear window louvers for an EK9 hatchback. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Should I try making these, or what do you think? I have all the measurements and stuff. I have them in mind. I might try and make them in the future, but for now this is just a design I did about a year ago now, 2 years ago. I don't even remember. It's been a while. But this is what I do in my spare time. And if I had $1 million, that's probably what I would do to my car right here in this model.